Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X20, and today I'll show you how to format an SD card. So to start off, you want to open up Settings, and from the Settings go down to Storage, so right here. And once you see your SD card, tap on the three dots and you'll have the option to format. It'll give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card, so if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you proceed. But assuming you don't, you can just tap on the Format SD card and the process will begin. It's fairly brief, it only takes a couple of seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again. So, like now, it's finished. And yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.